Hi everyone, and welcome to the Ultimate Stylist Marketing Funnel. I'm going to take you through the worksheets inside this program to make sure that you create an incredible marketing strategy for your styling business that is super easy, but it's also incredibly effective. So we are going to break down our marketing strategy into 4 stages or 4 parts. Part 1, define your brand and niche. Part 2, attract your audience with the right lead magnets and attraction content. Part 3, you'll set up your email marketing and you'll create nurturing content. And part 4, scale. We're going to create rebooking and referral incentives that will drive the success of your business, and we'll be planning the right content to promote those incentives. So the first stage is define. You'll be going through worksheets to define your brand and to define your niche clients so we know exactly how to attract them. Then you're going to be creating a lead magnet and attraction content, which is going to ensure that you are engaging with the ideal clients and that you're driving them to your website and social media. Then you're going to nurture them with email marketing campaigns, and you'll be taken through the structure of all of those email marketing campaigns and the development of nurturing content across all of the right platforms. And finally, scale. We're going to create referral and rebooking incentives and then use some really clever promotional ideas to drive the referrals and to also encourage rebooking. And then once you've created that strategy, once you've completed all the worksheets and you've watched the explainer videos and you've been joining our monthly live Q&As to make sure that you've got the right content, the right lead magnet, the right emails, the right niche client, and the right brand, we're going to plan your content for the rest of the year. So you'll be able to use a content planner to map out all of your content. It will be really easy. You'll be able to see that you've got all of your bases covered, and it's going to make your marketing content creation process incredibly enjoyable, effective, and it will remove the stress and overwhelm. I don't know if you can hear, but my dog is growling. I'm going to take that growl as a, yes, this program is amazing. So I'm really excited to work with you. This is a self-guided program, but we meet monthly. You can come to as many monthly Q&A sessions as you want to make sure that you get this plan created and implemented to start growing your styling business.